Violence exists everywhere, in our lives, our communities, even across the world. Let's explore the different types of violence and how they manifest at every level. The first one is domestic violence. Hoy, kinain mo ba yung... Personal violence includes domestic abuse where emotional, physical, or psychological harm happens within relationships. The second violence is gang violence, which is community level. Uy, kilala mo ba kung sino yan? Di eh. Tara, buliin na lang. At the community level, we see violence like gang-related activities, bullying, and harassment affecting the social fabric. The third one is a national violence, which is political violence. Makibayan! Huwag matakot! Makibayan! Huwag matakot! Huwag makibayan! Nationwide political violence includes protest, insurgencies, and state oppression, threatens peace and justice in societies. The last one is global violence, which is terrorism and war, which displace millions and lead to widespread suffering. Violence affects everyone, but through awareness, compassion, and action, we can work towards a safer world. That's all. Thank you.